Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif welcoming you to my another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'm going to giving you another preset of camera raw filters. Okay, I'm going to the file, then open. What I'll do in this Photoshop and this photo, I'll edit, and then I'll give you a preset about the camera raw filter. So let's start. Okay, as usual, this one is a photo, stock photo actually. Indian girl who is just standing train before the train and shari. Okay, hope that it will be a great tutorial. Okay, at first we'll apply the dodge burn, that action which one I have given you in a previous tutorial. Those who have missed that one, please check out my video description. There is the link of this plugin, that means the actions actually. Okay, applying this one, hit okay, 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 and okay, and hit okay, and then okay. We got a dodge burn in this photo. Okay, but the highlighted area is too much, that's why I'm doing editing this one here. I'll adjust this one like that. Okay, I got dodge and burn. I'll give this action in my video description, and I have another tutorial which is about this action, and then I'll make copy of this and making it group, making it another merge of this one, and then I'll go to the filter and camera filter. From the camera filter, what I am doing over there, I'll give you that settings or that preset for you, and I'll show you how to edit that. Okay, or how to apply this one on your photos. Okay, let's start. I'm just de-highlighted some little bit and adding some just exposure, that's good, and blacks. Press the Alt button and hold it, and when you're getting dots in a white screen, just leave it. And similarly, press the Alt button and hold it, and when you are getting the highlighted dots in your black screen, just leave it. Okay, you'll get a nice color. Okay, let's see the before after. Okay, before and after, you're getting a nice color. This one is the overexposed, but this one is not. Okay, and then we'll go to the just Efex, add some vignette little bit, and dehaze and haze. I make it like that, -9, that's good. And going to the camera calibration and the primary blue, primary green. Actually I want to make it like vintage. Okay, and HSL option, reduce the luminance of red for the lipstick, and adding some the orange color for the face, decreasing the saturation of orange a little bit, and just pressing Ctrl O for the fit with the display. And now I'm going to the curve. From the curve, I'll go to the blue at first, selecting here and here, and add like that. Okay, after that I'll go to the red here and here. Okay, that's good. And after that, from the RGB options, I'll just select over there, I'll add chroma a little bit. That's good. It's look like a vintage effect. And here I'll reduce the luminance of blue, and luminance of blue like that, and add some luminance of orange. From the camera calibration, and I'll adjust the color again and hit OK. You just got a nice effect. After that, I'll go to the filter and the Nick collection and Color Efex Pro. From the Color Efex Pro, I'll apply that some just filters. That filters you'll getting in a free of cost, and I'll also give these plugins download link, so you can make your photo more nice or amazing by using the preset and the nick collection also. Okay, I'll apply a filter. That's good. L03, and I'll hit OK. And okay, that's good. Let's see what was our previous one. This one was our previous image, and now you are getting this image after applying all the things. But I'll add one thing extra. I'm taking a blank layer and going to the brush, taking first brush and hardness 0% and pixel of the brush size 180, and now I'll just click here once. Before that, make it white and click once and press Ctrl T, make it bigger and hit OK. After that, take another blank layer and take the orange color, or you can pick up here from here and just add it, and again select here once and make it bigger by pressing Ctrl T and just set over there and hit OK. And this orange light, make it skin mode, and this one just down the opacity a little bit. Okay, you'll get extra exposure about that. Okay, making it group, making the name light. Okay, let's see the first previous one. This one is the image which is downloaded from the deviantart.com, and now after using the dodge and burn and after camera filter, I'm giving you the dodge burn just actions and the plugins, the Google nick collection, and this setup which is a camera raw, the preset. Okay, let's see how to apply that preset in your photos. Okay, I'm opening up that raw image which I downloaded, and then going to the filter and camera filter. From the camera filter, here is the menu and load settings. When you are getting that one, you'll get settings. These settings, I'll just give you this download a link of this preset and just open it. You'll get that setup which one just I applied in my photos, and you can easily apply that in your photos. Okay, again I'm showing you just making another copy of your photo, and go to the filter, camera raw filter. From the camera filter, just go to the load setting and just select that file which one I given you, and just open it up and hit the OK. Yes, you got that settings, that camera raw settings which is I just made for you. Okay, the previous photo which is I downloaded from the deviantart.com, and now you are getting this image by applying those things which I applied in this image. So thank you so much, thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question or query, please do comment on my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And in this, from this video, you are getting one actions, one preset, and one free plugins download. So don't forget to check out the video description. Till the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye. Thank you so much.